I hope you will indulge me these next few minutes, for they might change your trading life. I am Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com, and last week I received a very nice phone call from a gentleman, and he asked me after an hour and a half of chatting on the phone, well, Don, if I'm going to join Stock Market Caddy and I'm going to avail myself of some of these tools, can you prove to me that I'm going to make money? And I had to say no. No, I cannot promise you that they're going to make you money. I cannot guarantee that. I can show you on a real-time basis what they're doing today, last week, last month, the last 6 months. I can do that, but I can't promise you an outcome. I can't do that. But let me show you. This is SMC Swing Machine Plus, and I have configured Swing Machine Plus to trade not futures this time, but stocks. And I have put in a $10,000 allotment. You might trade less, you might trade more, you might even use options. And I have asked Swing Machine to sort for me the percentage return on a daily interval. And by the way, you might want to trade on a larger time frame. You might want to trade on a smaller time frame. That would be up to you. But let's look at this one. This is something called App 11. App 11. 116 days ago, it went long at 85.58 at 4 p.m. on August 15th. And here is some of the trend information. If you had taken that trade with us and or with our members, yes, you would be up 327.85%. Your $10,000 would have grown to $33,186.49. On something like this, microchip, you can see it was a short signal 135 days ago. And if you had been long and gotten out, you could have saved yourself a 39% haircut. If you are an aggressive trader and shorted the stock, yes, you could have made some 39%. But what you might want to know is out of the NASDAQ 100 stocks that we have here today, long and short, how many of these calls are now profitable as of today? With no promise that they're going to do this for you or that you will get these profits, but out of, let's bring it up, approximately 81, we are profitable in 81 stocks, 80 to 81, nearly 80%. And yes, we do have some drawdowns in the remaining 20%, but you can see they're really not all that bad. The worst one being Monster. I think that is, possibly that's MicroStrategy. Is that MicroStrategy? Down 11%. Not all bad. Now we're going to bring them back up. I don't mean to make you dizzy. And if you wanted to trade, let's say, on a 1 hour basis, you could. And we're going to change that to 60-minute. And we're going to let that populate. And we'll give it a moment. And now we're going to sort from top to down. This is Palantir. 80 hours ago, a 20% return. Let's scroll down. The same 100 stocks, if you were trading on a 1 hour interval, how many are profitable? Let's take them down. 75. 75% of the signals real time are profitable. There's 3 that are flat. The remaining balance are drawing down. In the worst performing signal real time is Tesla, down 3%. Folks, I can't do this for you. In fact, nobody can. It's up to you. We cannot promise you anything. We can't promise you an outcome. I can guarantee that we will save you time. I can guarantee that you will learn a lot, but I cannot guarantee an outcome. You see, folks, in the words of Coach Saban, it really is up to you. You are the Holy Grail.
Okay, y'all ready for a lecture? Talk about the importance of nothing. You get up every day, you're entitled to nothing. Nobody owes you nothing. You could have talent, but if you don't have discipline and you don't execute, you don't focus, what do you get? Nothing. If you're complacent and not paying attention to detail, what does that get you? Nothing. So, nothing is acceptable but your best. Everything is determined by what you do and you trying to be your best so that you can build on positive performance. That's the only thing. There should be nothing else.